What is up, guys, and welcome to another video here on YouTube, guys. This is gonna be a quick tutorial for those that are using the Go XLR mini. As you guys know, when you guys talk, you guys can hear yourselves back, and I know some of you are probably wondering, how can I lower myself from hearing myself in headphones? If you notice, when you open up your Go XLR mini, if you notice, when you go into mixer, you can only see this and there's really no option. So it's pretty simple. All you want to do is hit this little arrow right here all the way at the end, and boom, your mic monitor, you can lower and higher how much you want to hear yourself on your headphones when you're talking and want to hear yourself back. So yeah, quick tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you guys.